Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chidi here. What's up? How is everyone doing? So I went for my morning run and I said, yeah, why not bring these amazing people along with me? So aside from the fact that exercise is good for your body, like it's healthy and all those good stuff, I put on weight during this lockdown and I've been doing more of it lately. All right, and I wanted to bring you guys along. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Yeah guys, let us go.
Underwater, baby, when you're around, oh, I can do anything. It's like you gave me superpowers. I'm on top of the world when I call you my girl, my heart's racing. I can't lie, I'm into you, I can't hide from the truth, caught my eye, pull me closer. I can't lie, I'm into you, I can't hide.
So I usually stop somewhere, okay, and do a little bit of, everything. All right, so when I'm running, I run for a while, okay, and just stop and do some stretches, some workouts, all right, and I continue my run. Yeah. These workouts are quite easy, okay? You can do them at home or outside, except the run, which you have to come out to do, obviously, except you have this really massive compound then. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, like if you're at home and you're wondering what to do, you can check this out, and that is the benefit of video. You can come back and check it out anytime you want and just, yeah, do you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, comment your thoughts on what you want to see next, share my videos guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.
You got me breathing underwater, baby, when you're around, oh, I can do anything. like you gave me superpowers.